All right, here we go. We're going to make the 1x1 slanted cylinder. So we're going to put a sketch on a plane. We're going to sketch half of this thing and then revolve it. So we're going to go here. It's got a total height of 3/8. So we go up, over, down, out, over, down, across. It's going to look something like that to start with. Most important dimensions, the height needs to be correct. So we're going to say 3/8 for the total height, and that got kind of funky, but we'll fix that in a second. So dimension here, we want this to end up being 3/16, so for now it's going to be 3/32 because we'll revolve it. This needs to be the correct height of 1/16. Enter. I'm going to go ahead and turn off dimension real quick and pull this line back up, just like that. And I want the bottom to be 4/16 in the end, so for now it's going to be 4/32 because it'll double. This lip should be 1/16, and this should come out 1/32. And that fully constrains everything. Now we're just going to go to revolve. Select that. We're going to spin it around that center axis and say OK. And we're going to go to shell. And the shell on this guy is going to be a 1/32. And we're going to remove the top face and we're going to remove the bottom face. And hit OK. And that's it.